It seems like something's up at Google. I don't know what it is. I don't know like why it feels like there's this big shakeup, even though publicly, we haven't really been aware of anything happening at the level of like interpersonal relationships at Google. But it feels like Google has lost a lot of its key thinkers this last week. And time will tell what this means for Gemini, what this means for different Google models.
I feel like you've been saying for a while now that Google is behind, which I think is kind of contrary to the narrative of some people online that Google is actually the sleeper horse in this race. Like they're doing shockingly well for how little they're discussed with the big labs. What is behind your assessment that Gemini is so far behind? And do you think that this reorg is going to help them catch up or going to result in them being left further behind?
Look at 3.1 Pro, right? No one's really talking about this flagship model. And the reason why is because, frankly, there's just a lot of bugs in the model. Like it doesn't do very well. There have been some reports that actually Google is leaking a lot of its thinking traces. Like it's a blunder at the level of something that maybe would have seen 3-4 years ago. It doesn't really make sense that Google is making these mistakes given its research expertise. And we're seeing all these reorgs. It feels very akin to the shakeup that Meta had when Jan LeCun was effectively pushed aside in lieu of our homeboy Alex Wang, right? I would love to bring someone on from Google to explain to us like what the hell is going on here. It seems like something happened where the Gemini team got largely disbanded and like reorged in some crazy way. I don't think it's too surprising to see old timers like Jeff Dean and Kwok leave to form their own thing.